Hey guys, Alec from Slavens Racing. Just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you guys a multi-tool kit for KTM Husqvarna or GasGas bikes. This kit's a really lightweight, small, compactable kit that you can put into a fanny pack, a jacket, a pant pocket. It's pretty lightweight. I think it's about a pound. If you guys ride off-road, trails, enduro, you know, you guys should always carry a few tools with you. This toolkit has pretty much everything you need to do any trailside repairs on a KTM Husqvarna or GasGas. I'm going to rattle off what it all includes real quick. It has a 12 millimeter wrench, a 10 millimeter wrench, has a bottle opener for the day beverage, a 7/16 open end wrench, 8 millimeter wrench, a 3/8 drive, a 10 millimeter open end, a 1/4 inch drive, a 14 millimeter wrench, a 13 millimeter socket, 6 millimeter socket, 8 millimeter socket. Comes with a couple flat blades, a couple Phillips, a 5 and 6 millimeter Allen, and a T25, 30, 40, and 45 torx bit. So if you guys are familiar with working on KTM, Husqvarna, or GasGases, those are pretty much all the sizes that you're going to need to do any repairs or take anything off. And this is a great stocking stuffer, guys. Right now, these are on sale on slavensracing.com for $39.95. I accidentally ordered a ton of these in stock. We have way too many of them. This kit usually retails for over $80. So if you guys are a rider and you're looking for some stocking stuffer ideas, take advantage of this sale right now from slavensracing.com, and you guys can have a cool little stocking stuffer. Every rider that has a KTM Husky or GasGas would be super stoked to get one of these in their stockings. So if you guys are looking for some ideas, send these to anybody that are maybe going to be buying you some gifts, and we will get you guys these shipped before Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you guys soon.